this video we are going to see how to mock up a billboard design using photopea.com. Okay, but before you be able to use photopea.com, there is some requirement you need to have with your phone. Your phone must have at least 3 gig RAM. Okay, but if you have 2 gig RAM you can try it, but sometimes it's going to be freeze. Okay, you just have to be patient and try to be able to use it. Okay, now if your phone does not support, don't worry. Okay, because I faced that same problem. Okay, so don't worry, keep on creating your design. When you upgrade your phone, you'll be able to mock up your design without any difficulty. Okay, so without wasting your time, let's begin our tutorial. Okay, this is the flyer that we are going to mock up. Okay, the billboard. Okay, now this is my PSD mockup here. Okay, you can see it's anyway.psd. So I'm going to Google right now. Click here. So go to Google and type Photopea. Okay, then the first link you click on it. Okay, which is photopea.com. Okay, now here there are two places where you can import your PSD file. Okay, you can click on the file at the top left corner. Okay, and then you click on open to open your PSD file, or you can click on open from computer, then they will take it to your folder to select your PSD file. Anywhere you click is the same process. Okay, so I'm going to click on the open from computer here, and then after clicking on open from computer, they'll ask you to locate your folder where you'll be able to select your PSD file. So I'm going to click on media. Okay, then I'm going to locate my folder where I have saved my PSD file. Okay, I think I have it here, Photopea. Okay, you can see, so this is the PSD file I'm going to select. You can see the PSD file always end with .psd, as you can see here. Okay, so I'm going to select it, and then you have to wait, they are going to load it. Okay, this particular process takes some time depending on the mockup size, your internet speed, and also your phone. Okay, so now they have opened the mockup. The next thing to do is to click on the layer. Okay, you look at the tools at the right hand side. Okay, the third one is the layer, which is here. I'm going to click on it. Now when you click on it, they are going to open the layers for you. In the layers, sometimes you are going to see place your design here, place your project here, your design here, design project here. Okay, depending on how the person have renamed the layer where you need to place your design. Okay, in this case is design, as you can see the first layer here. Okay, design. Now there are one particular things you can use to identify the smart layer. Okay, where you'll be able to place your design in this particular black and white square here. Okay, you can see the first layer have some small black and white square. So anytime you open PSD layer, okay, PSD file layer or mockup layers, okay, make sure to locate this particular place so that you'll be able to know where you place your design in case the person did not name the layer properly. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to double click on it like this. Okay, and then they are going to open a new layer again. You can see now they open the layer where I can place my design. Now to close this particular panel, okay, you have to click on the layer like this. Okay, but you can see we have the old design. So what you have to do, okay, let me click on the layer again. You can see the eye icon. You have to click on the eye icon, then you click on the layer at the right hand side like this. Okay, now you can see the old design has been hide. Okay, we can't see it anymore. So now we have to import our design. Okay, so you have to click on the file, then you click on open and place. Okay, open and place. Yeah, let me explain something to you. Okay, anytime you open a PSD mockup file, okay, and then you reach to this particular place but you didn't see open and place, that means you didn't open the right PSD file. Okay, because every mockup will require to open and place. So I'm going to click on it, open and place. Then it will take me to my folder again where I can go ahead and select my design. Now this is my design. I'm going to click on it. It's going to load. Now you can see my design has been placed and the size is correct, everything is correct. Okay, now I know maybe you have been asking yourself, how did I do to get this particular size correctly? Okay, don't worry, at the end of this particular video I'm going to show you how you can get the right size of mockup to create your design. Okay, now if you place your design and you are okay with your design, okay, don't forget that when your design is not properly arranged, you can also click here like this. Okay, to resize it like this. Okay, but my own is okay, so I'm going to leave it like that. Okay, everything's properly arranged. I'm going to leave it. Okay, so you click on the file again at the top left corner. Now you look at down, you are going to see save smart object. Okay, you click on it, and then they are going to save your design, okay, or they are going to apply your design on the mockup. Okay, this particular process takes some time to, depending on the size of the mockup, the speed of your phone, and the network. Okay, you can see my own is complete. Okay, now what you can do, you can decide to close this particular layer, but I recommend you to leave it. Okay, so that in case there is a mistake, you can come back and edit. Okay, so you just have to click on this particular first layer here. Okay, the left hand side, you click on it. Okay, you can see now. Okay, you can see our design has been placed on the mockup. Okay, but our design is not pop because they have applied an effect on the mockup. Okay, so click on the layer. Okay, layer at the right hand side, click on it. Now you are going to see mockup. Okay, now you can see this particular folder. Click on the drop down arrow like this. Okay, click on it. Now when you open, you are going to see different effects. Okay, always when you want to mock up your design, okay, make sure to locate this particular effect called highlight. Okay, sometimes it reduces the quality of your design. Okay, so if I click on the eye icon to hide it like this, okay, and then I'm going to click on the layer at the right hand side like this. Okay, you can see now the design is pop. Okay, so we are done. What we have to do now is to save. So I'm going to click on the file at the top left corner, and then you come here, you click on export as, and then you click on the JPG. Okay, now you can see quality. I'm going to increase the quality to 100%. Okay, and then you can click here save. Now you need to get internet connection here. Okay, because they are going to play ad. Okay, but sometimes they are not going to play. As you can see, this particular one they didn't play ad. Okay, so let me click here to open so that you can see. Okay, so this is our final mockup. Okay, you can see. Okay, so as I say, if your phone does not support, don't force. Okay, now let me give you this particular secret that you can use to get the size of any mockup, and then you can use it to create your design to get the perfect size. Okay, now anytime you want to create a particular design, okay, and you know you are going to use a psd file to mockup it, okay, make sure to open the psd file on Photopea or Photoshop first. Okay, or if you know the size of the design, fine. If you don't know the size and then you want to get it correctly, okay, you open the psd file like this. Okay, and then you click on the layer icon like this. Okay, let me close this particular folder. Now you click on the design panel, okay, where you need to place your design. Okay, so I'm going to click on it like this. Then I'll click here. Let me hide my design, and then on the first design. Okay, then you click on the layer here. Okay, so when you open it, you are going to see this particular design. Now here, normally what you have to do, you have to click on the file at the top left corner. Okay, and then you click on open and place, but that is not what you want to do here, because we want to get the size of the mockup. Okay, so here what you have to do, you just have to click here, export as jpg. Simple as that. Okay, and then you are going to see the size. Okay, it's going to take some time to load. You can see now, you can see the size. Okay, we have the weight and the height. You just have to copy and put inside your pixel and start design. As you can see here, it is in pixel. Okay, px mean pixels. Okay, so it's in pixel. You can put in percentage, you can put in centimeters, you can put in millimeters, you can put in inches. Okay, but here is in pixel, and you know pixel app use pixel, so it is very simple. You just have to come here. Okay, and then copy the size like this, copy the two sides. Okay, and then open your pixel app, put the size in your pixel app, create your design. Okay, now after creating your design, you come back to the same mockup again. Okay, you come back to the same mockup. Okay, and then place your design on it. Okay, so this is the strategy I used to get my size, okay, from psd mockup. Okay, in case you don't know, but if you know, you can go ahead and create your design. Simple as that. Okay, if you get value in this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Okay, subscribe to the channel, because this year I'm going to come up with a lot of tutorial like this. Okay, a lot of tutorial. Last year I was busy small. Okay, so this year I'm fully active. Okay, give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends so that they can also learn, okay, and benefit. Okay, until then, peace out.